I was trading at the wrong time, killing my results until I found out the best time to trade Forex. Most beginners lose not because of their strategy, but because of trading at the wrong time. Timing really matters. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day from Monday to Friday, but not every day, not every hour worth trading. There are specific time when it is best to trade Forex. Because there are times when the market can be very quiet and there is a low volatility there. And whenever there is low volatility in a session, there is a low probability of winning or having good opportunities to chase trades. So it is best you wait for the best time to trade Forex. There are dead sessions and also active sessions to participate in the market. Not every time is best to trade the market. There are three peak trading sessions in the Forex market: the Tokyo session, the London session, and the New York session. Some traders try to include Sydney session, but I don't really classify that as a peak session because other sessions are more liquid than the Sydney session. The Sydney session can be a session under these three peak sessions. So to make it stand alone as a session doesn't worth it. Every trading session has a unique way of moving the market. The best trading sessions are the London session and the New York session. Big moves start in London session and the New York session continues the strong move. But one thing for sure is that the London session is not the best time to trade the market. So stay tuned to the end of the video to know the best time to trade the market. The best time to trade the market is when the London session and the New York session overlap because there is a high level of volatility during that time, and that is towards the ending of the London session and the beginning of the New York session. Since the London session starts before the New York session, the overlap happens towards the ending of the London session and the beginning of the New York session. The worst time to trade the market is when the market is dead, and that is when movement is very slow and the market generates a lot of fake signals, price consolidating within a range, moving up and down, not having a clear direction. I can't forget the early stages of my Forex trading journey because it cost me a lot of pains trading at low activity hours and entering, exiting random trades. It really cost me, and I learned my lesson the hard way. And I don't want you to do the same, and that is why you are watching this video. I hope this video really helps you and goes a long way. But everything changed when I followed one rule, and that is no active trading session, no trade. I don't take trade whenever there is no active trading session. We teach different strategies that actually work, so follow us for more. Like, share, and subscribe.